Hey, welcome to the another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your website SEO optimized. That is like enable for the SEO so that it can visible on the search results. So in this test website we cannot see because this is only 2 days more for expired. So I'm going to show you as test, but when I create a live site I will show you again that how it will work or not. So I'm just going to show you that how to connect it with Google Search Console and the for SEO tools. Go to settings and then click on the marketing, and then here you will see the SEO appearance and metapixel and ads. If you want to add a metapixel, then you can click through here, and then if you want to make it enable SEO, click on SEO appearance, and then SEO checklist. You can see the Google search keyword, and here's you can write a short description for the home. Short description mean that is meta description. So I can write it's a test website for the Squarespace. Yeah, I just write a little bit description, and then here's the Google Search Console option. You just need to make it enable. Just click on Google Search Console. Yeah, of course, that make to save, and then Google Search Console, and it will take to the traffic and then connect to Google Search Console. Click on connect, and then it will take you to a option for continue that you have already Google Search Console account. So I have already an account. I just click on edit on work. I just using this mail, and then it will give me getting access from me, and then it will connect it. So I'm just not going to show for the test site. Okay, so we can check again once. Click on here, continue. Yes, just hello. Your site is connected. So this is connected. You are see a background that are showing the statistics text. So you will see the statistics in after some hours. So we can see that how many impression we are getting, how many visitors we are getting from search result, and then we'll see all the results in here. So I hope you understood that how to connect the Google Search Console with a Squarespace website.